Hey guys, I am Hirat and I make easy and simple recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make super delicious and creamy ice cream. And if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So let's get started. And these are the ingredients I will be using. And I have with me dragon fruit, which is low in calories, high in fiber, and antioxidants. Okay. And this fruit is really nice. And here I have water. I have evaporated milk, and you can use any milk of choice, condensed milk, as a sweetener, and here you can use any sweetener of choice as well. So I am going to cut the dragon fruit into two, and this is how it looks in case this is your first time of seeing it. So I will cut it and then transfer it into a blender and then add the condensed milk, add evaporated milk, and then add a little water, and here I will blend it so it is smooth, and then I will transfer it into a cup, and here you can just even drink it just like this, and it was super good, guys. So I am going to use this ice cream rubbish and then store it inside. So I will continue with this process till I'm done. So this is how it looks. You can even get the rubber they tie. All is perfect. So after storing them, I will freeze it for 5 to 12 hours. And if you want it to be really hard, just leave it for maybe 24 hours and your creamy and delicious ice cream is ready, guys. This ice cream is worth it. Just try it and you will love every bit of it. Please don't forget to like this video for me, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and follow me on other social media platforms as Hirat's Kitchen, and make sure to turn on your notification bell, okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.